welcome to the channel. Took a 2-hour nap, thought I'd go out for a little walk, just see what's around the surrounding area. So let's go. One of the first things I've noticed is all these bikes that are around. It's crazy, there's so many of them. Looks like there's even a dedicated bike lane on the left side as well. It's really nice weather out here at the minute. It's like 23 degrees, but it's got a real nice breeze to it. As I'm walking around as well, I can see all this white fluff in the air. Let me try and point the camera to it, see if you can see it. Not sure if you can see it on camera, but it's all over the place. Waited for the green man before crossing, as you should do to be on the safe side. It's quiet around here. I'm quite surprised, to be honest with you, for a Friday. I was used to, well, I thought it'd be quite a busy city, but maybe it's because of the district I'm in, I'm not sure. We'll see as we walk around. I'm gonna walk to a park, it's called Longtan Park. So let's see what's around there. Look at this 3-wheeler car. I thought Mr. Bean was the only person that had one of these. Do you see what I mean about all that white fluff that's in the air? It's all gathered up here. I had to do a bit of Googling. Basically, that white cotton fluff is called catkins. It's during China springtime, so that's quite interesting. Got to Longtan Central Park. Here's a map. Plenty of activities around here. Looks quite big. Let's take a little walk around. You can see a massive Ferris wheel at the distance as well. I think this used to be a massive lake, man-made lake, but there's no water. Look how pretty these trees are. I'll just show you behind me. I was talking about the lake earlier and how dry it is. It reminds me of the wadis in Oman when they're dry, when there's no rain. Sorry if you're all getting fed up of the flowers I'm showing. I don't get to appreciate them as much when I'm in Oman because I live in the desert at the minute. Not that I don't appreciate Oman, I love Oman. There's a man-made tree up there. Can you see it? It's on a metal pole. How random. This is for all the campaholics out there. Right up in the sky, there's some people playing around with some kites as well. And I've seen a lot of photographers out here. Okay, I'm definitely done in the park now. It's time for a coffee. Okay, I've just seen something really random. Can you see behind me, people are actually swimming here. Interesting. Can you see over there that guy swimming? Just one. Yeah? Yeah. Is that? So guys, I had a guy help me out because I didn't quite understand that lady in paying for these, but in the end we got there. It was about 7-1. So I think I've got like a mooncake right here. Can you see that? Red bean paste as well. It's quite warm. And also sesame seed toasted bun. So I'll give these a try. Let's try this one first. Sweet, very flaky, and you can taste the sesame. It's very sweet pastry, that is. Let's try the red bean paste now. That's really nice. That's the complete opposite of the sweet one. That's really Moorish actually. Especially because it's so warm. Let's try the red bean paste now. No, the mooncake, sorry. It's massive, it's like a big coin. You can see the peanuts in there as well. Really nice. That's really nice actually. Definitely recommend. Just work on your communication skills, unlike me. Going abroad is all about trying new things, right? Well, here's me thinking this will taste really, really nice, right? I don't know if you can see that. But guess what? It's lavender water or lavender iced tea, and it doesn't taste nice. Well, not for me anyway, but maybe you guys might like it. But yeah, keep trying. So being the numpty I am, I figured out earlier why it wasn't so busy. Obviously people are at work and they're at school. Now why didn't I think of that? Just realized that when all the schools were coming out now and closing, and all the traffic I can see beside me. I'm gonna get an early night tonight, so I think I might have an early dinner, and that means going to try some food out here. So maybe some noodles or something. Let's see. Told you it's busier now. I think it's bike collection day. So guys, if you're gonna come to some restaurants and they have a QR code, you need to scan it with Alipay. So scan it like that. Then it'll ask you how many diners, and then it'll come up with the menu. So just a little pro tip for you guys. Oh, and it even asks you if you've got any kids. Please say the number of diners to start ordering. And it says use your location. There we go, see? That's the menu, and then you pay an order. Got the table number at the top, matches my one here, and then just click pay to order. Check this out, guys. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Guys, I'm terrible with chopsticks, but let's give this a shot. This is me trying chopsticks for the millionth time. That's nice. I love those noodles, they're really thick. Let's try the soup now. Oh, that's really nice, but spicy. You can feel it at the back of your throat. Really, really nice. I can hack that spice though. Got some dessert here. It's kind of like rice pudding, but let's give it a shot. It's really, really nice. Kind of like, it definitely is like rice pudding. It's really thick, but I'm definitely a sweet guy, so I love my sweet treats. But yeah, I'm gonna dig in. Bloody hell, now the noodles want to escape. I'm terrible with chopsticks. I'm relying on this spoon. Where do I start? Okay, just stick to the soup. I'll just soup this down. That was spicy as hell, but demolished. That's it from me today, guys. Hope you enjoyed that. Let me know if you have any other suggestions of things to do around here. See you tomorrow.